Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delaya and I'm a tailored streetwear fashion designer for ambitious creative women who want to subtly stand out. If you're just now joining us, right now I am doing a DIY capsule challenge. This is the challenge I've created for myself to make my own 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe for myself. I'm designing it and I'm sewing it and I'm wearing it. So if that sounds like something you want to see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when the next part of the series comes out. So right now you can watch me make this red sleeveless tank, and at the end of the video I will come back and tell you how I feel about it. Alright? Welcome back to my little design corner. You just watched me make this red sleeveless tank, and now you're here for my review, my critique of myself, right? Okay. Of this project, I'm okay with it. I mean, it's a red sleeveless tank. I mean, I'm actually wearing it right now, so it fits. I would have done some things differently after the fact, I guess. Like, probably fit it as I was going along. It's not really a major fit issue. I would have made this a little narrower, like this here, maybe. Then I would have made the high-low a little bit more drastic. I don't get that full effect from how I cut it now. And then the sides, I probably would have taken in a little bit from the back, so I don't get this little wingtip flare, I guess. I don't know. The shirt itself is okay. Probably wouldn't pick it up at a store, but I'm okay with wearing it. Sewing it wise, the hardest part was the stupid cover stitch machine. It took me like 3 hours. 3 hours. 3 whole hours to hem. No, not even to hem. It took me 3 hours to thread the machine so it would stitch properly. And then when I went to hem the shirt, the stitches kept breaking and getting on my nerves, and it took way longer than it should to just hem the shirt. But what are you gonna do? It's machines, technology. They don't want to see you win. Thanks for watching another video. If you liked what you saw and want to see more of it, please hit that subscribe button. In the comment section, let me know what you think of this red sleeveless tank. Would you wear it out? Could you wear it out? I felt I wanted to do a Dr. Seuss rhyme right there, but I didn't. Either way, let me know what you feel about my red sleeveless tank in the comments. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you wear it? Would you not wear it? What would you wear it with? Let me know in the comments right now. Next week is going to get a little bit more challenging. I am doing a long sleeve shirt. It's still a knit shirt, so it won't be as strugglesome, but there is a detail that I have added that may be strugglesome, I guess. I don't know. So come back next week and see how that goes. All right? Bye.